Hey guys, today we're taking a look at tech decks and skateboards, and probably wondering why tech decks. Well, I have a teenager who needs a hobby, so I had this idea that my teenager here, Marcus, needed some sort of hobby, so why not have him be a skateboarder? It looks scaled to his side, which I think is pretty cool. And some tech decks, they come with these other skins. It's pretty cool. This one is not a tech deck, but it's pretty cool. I've had this one for years. And so recently I found this. It comes with 3 boards. And technically this is not tech deck, it's some Dollar General brand. I thought we'd check it out, open it up, see what it's all about. So it comes with these decals. These are pretty cool. They're mostly like from Avengers and stuff. You could put them on your fingerboard or kickboard, whatever. So I might repurpose those for something else. And it comes with 3 boards. So maybe my teenager here has a hobby and he collects skateboards. So I think that'd be pretty cool. And you could definitely tell the difference between the tech decks and the like a generic version, because I always like that these had real screws and bolts in them, and most of them come with tools that can be repurposed for your G.I.Joes. But this one doesn't come with any tools or anything, and you can tell that the trucks are a lot different. Maybe tech deck is a bit bigger. I'm not into fingerboards. Skateboarding, not really. I've always been a mountain biker. But you know, for like this, for teenager here, I thought it'd be pretty cool if he has some sort of hobby. Some skateboarding skills. Something, you know, other than something to do other than when he's not out adventuring with his parents. And you know, anyways, what do you think of tech decks? Do you like them? Do you hate them? Fingerboards? Do you play with them? Do you collect them? This will probably be all I collect, because I don't think I need any more for him to have in his collection, since we have 5. I think he'd have a nice collection of skateboards. This one has Black Panther on it. That one has nothing on it. Probably where you could put your stickers on it. This one is Iron Man. This one is some generic thing. I think it's a pretty good size. I mean, close to 1/6 scale, which would be I don't know. What do you think? Do you think it's the right size, or do you think it's too small? So, thanks for checking it out. And let me know what you think of this format. Do you like the talking head version, or you rather just see my hands? Let me know. I'm interested. Thanks for watching. We're moving to Oakhurst, California. So it ought to be interesting. It's a mountain town. If you enjoy my videos, please consider subscribing. Follow me on social media. Want to help support this channel? Become a Patreon member. Until next time, don't forget to collect, inspire, and create.